Now, I grew up as an Army brat. My dad was in the Army for 26 years. We moved like clockwork every 2 to 3 years. And so it occurred to me at a very early age that when it comes to difficult people, difficult conversations, conflict, you can run, but you can't hide.
Someone once told me something that I have had to ponder, which is home is where we go when we're tired of being nice.
We had an interesting conversation this morning about teenagers and how, a teenager will respond much better when we say, I need your help.
Yeah.
And I think the same is true with people at work. I need your help in getting this done on time.
So my dilemma when I first started as a working person years ago, and especially as a supervisor, my challenge was, how do I boss people around without being bossy?
That was such a great presentation. I cannot wait to take home the tips that I learned for work and also for family.
It was very thoughtful, very well spoken, and a lot of good practical help.
From the Virgin Islands.
Thank you, Sarita.